we are bringing the magic of Build with AI to our mobile app for iOS and Android, so you can create and send a professional survey from anywhere. Let me show you how it works. Here we are in the SurveyMonkey mobile app. Let's say I work for Viberly, and we're at an industry trade show showcasing our latest products to potential buyers and distributors. We immediately start getting great feedback on the new lineup, and I'd like a better way to measure it. I'm not at an office, but that's not a problem because I've got the SurveyMonkey mobile app. To get started, I'll tap Create Survey and choose Build with AI. Now all I have to do is tell SurveyMonkey what I need. Create a short feedback survey for attendees at an industry trade show who visited the Viberly booth. Viberly is a high-end lifestyle brand for health-conscious buyers, and we're showcasing our newest product lineup. I want to understand what caught their attention, how likely they are to recommend or stock our products, and any suggestions for improvement. Keep it concise, 5 to 6 questions max, friendly, and on-brand. With a tap, SurveyMonkey generates a preview of my new product feedback form in just a few seconds. This looks great, so I'm going to tap Continue. If I need to make any changes, I can do that right here on my phone, and I can even send it to trade show attendees using WhatsApp. By tapping Send, choosing WhatsApp, and requesting their feedback. This is also a great opportunity for me to capture their contact information, so I can follow up directly. Really easy.